If you only own one rental property, do you really need an LLC? And this was submitted by Nicole. And the answer is no, you do not. There are benefits to LLCs. The benefit of an LLC is that you can take risks, take chances with your business, and then if something goes wrong, you run out of money, you get sued or whatever, then you can avoid personal liability. And so you, as the owner of the home, of the business, can avoid getting sued for your house or your retirement account. If you have a very simple business that is a very low risk situation, then you can probably get by just fine with only having a good insurance policy. And I often tell people, if you're only going to do one thing to protect yourself from your business risks, that one thing should be good insurance, because that will step in and help you most of the time. However, if your plan is for your real estate holding portfolio to grow over time, then you are going to want to talk to me or another attorney to figure out a strategy for setting up your structure. What happens is that a lot of people, they make decisions about their business when they've got 1, 2, 3 properties that makes it difficult to transfer these assets into an LLC later. For example, if you are buying a house on contract or buying a house subject to a mortgage, then you may not be able to easily transfer that property into an LLC unless you pay off the mortgage or contract, which can be a burden. And so therefore, all of your properties that are outside of the LLC do expose you to risk. What we strongly suggest is that if you are going to contemplate a more advanced or complicated real estate portfolio, please talk to me. It is free. We do a free consult for real estate investors to talk about setting up a holding company structure. And it is a lot more affordable and simpler than you think. And as a side benefit, when we set it up for you, we give you significant privacy protection so that your name doesn't get rubber stamped right onto the public records of your real estate portfolio. And that way you don't have tenants showing up at your home in the middle of the night asking you plumbing questions and such. So I do think it's a good idea, but if you only do one thing, have good insurance.